Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Study Circle Mumbai. Heartiest welcome to all of you. I hope आप लोग सब अच्छे होंगे, and I am also doing good. By the way, we are recording this video, which will be kind of a motivational video for all of you who's gonna pursue executive after clearing the recently announced CS Foundation December 2020 results. Guys, the results which were announced on this Monday, that is 18th January 2021 of recently concluded December 20 examinations, we are proud to announce that we have been able to achieve a very big feat which we were achieving for every other attempt as well. And that is where we would like to add that history repeats itself. Yes guys, we are again producing 2 All India ranks in this results. So guys, let me introduce both the rank holders to you. We have Aditi Menon in front of us. She has got All India's 7th rank in this examinations and her score is 344 guys. And at the same time we have Neha Singh and she's got All India 17th rank and her score is 324. Guys, one round of applause for both of them for getting the rank. And we all at Study Circle are really very happy to see them at this stage, and we always wish them best of luck even for their executive. But let's hear it from them that how did they manage the studies during this pandemic. Plus there are various postponements of exams, lot of rumors and etc. Plus completely online studies. इन्होंने कैसे मैनेज किया and what they did special to achieve this feat? Let's hear it from them. So guys, at this stage I would like to first have a word with Aditi, and here's Aditi, over to you. And guys, again to remind you, she is AIR 7.
Thank you, sir. I think my CS Foundation journey, to sum it up in one word, would be unexpected, because we were supposed to give the exam in June 2020. Because of the pandemic, it got shifted to August 1st and then December. And we also had to cope up at the same time to adjusting to online lectures. And I will always remember the period between August and December, primarily because we had to start all over and also find the motivation to start all over. And I think understanding the concepts well is half the battle won, and that's where coaching classes come in. And I think the greatest motivator for me has been thinking about the moment where we get our results and hoping we do well, hoping we get ranks, and now that we have, it all feels worth it. And for that I'm very grateful to all my teachers, my family and my friends. Thank you.
So guys, that was Aditi Menon, AIR 7. And now let's hear it from Neha also. And she has got AIR 17, and let's understand what she went through and how she managed this feat. Yes, Neha, over to you.
Thank you, sir. During this corona time, it was really difficult for us, as everywhere we can hear only about corona, and it was really difficult to focus on our studies. And since everyone were at home, so we have to study without getting distracted, so that was a very big task to us. So but I managed it because I thought that I have to work on it, because I want to achieve it. So I went for it, and so are my results. And I'm really thankful to all my support system, my parents, the entire team of Study Circle, for always guiding me, motivating me throughout this journey and helping me to get the result I wanted. Thank you, sir.
So thank you, Neha. And guys, that is what we got to hear it from them, that what they went through. Now let them ask a very tough question. Ranker है ना, थोड़ा tough question पूछना चाहिए उनको, है ना? So the first tough question to Aditi. Aditi, oh, she's already smiling. She knows it's gonna be a tough one. So let's see this. Aditi, did you ever think or aim or study for a rank?
I definitely planned my schedule according to it and tried my best to stick to it. I think I was successful sticking to it for most of it. And I prayed a lot for the rank. So,
So guys, planning and prayers, very important, right? And thank you Aditi for making us proud as well. Let us ask the same question to Neha now. She already knows, उसको at least prepare हो गई वो भी थोड़ी. She already has one answer to refer back, है ना? So let's ask the same question to Neha. Neha, did you ever think of getting a rank?
No, sir, I never thought of it, but I always work to give my best. And so I'm really happy that I worked towards something and I achieved a great one. And that's it.
Okay. So that was all about Neha. Now, guys, see, foundation is over. They've got ranks. They've achieved what they could have done their best. Let's ask, see, we all know that foundation is just the beginning to the journey of CS. So let's ask them about executive. That is very important. And when we ask them about executive, these guys have an option of appearing in executive even in this June 21, and maybe take the another group to December 21, or maybe they can give both groups in December 21. So let's see what are they planning and how are they planning for executive. So let's start with Aditi first. Aditi, your plans for executive.
so actually getting an AIR has actually boosted my confidence a lot. And I think I'm already in the zone to study. And since the institute has given us the opportunity to give one group in June and one in December, I think that will be a wise option for me, dividing my time between the groups like that. So I'll be giving the first group in June and then the second one in December.
Okay. So Aditi is gonna give one in June 21 immediately and the another one in December 21. So let's begin and ask the same question to Neha. Neha, what have you planned for executive?
For executive, I have thought the same. Even I'll go for group 1 in June and the second one in December, as we are confident now and we are in our study zone. So I think I'll prepare more then, and focusing on 4 subject I think would be better.
Okay. So guys, they have chosen to give one group in June 21 and another one in December 21. That is their choice about executive. Many a times we always believe कि what rankers did, what was the success mantra, कि उन्होंने क्या किया था जो हमने नहीं किया, या वो rankers कैसे क्या करते हैं जो हम नहीं कर पाते. As a normal or average student, हमारे दिमाग में ये बहुत सारे thoughts आते हैं, and therefore we are having this question and answer session so that it can be useful to you. So guys, let's ask one more question to them. Okay, so how much, it's very important question, that how much it is relevant and important to keep the focus when there is so much chaos going outside. Even there are many people who dropped CS in between, क्योंकि पोस्टपोनमेंट हो रहा था तो काफी लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि छोड़ यार अभी नहीं करते हैं, बाद में करेंगे. There is a lot of negativity sometimes around the course. So how do you manage all this and still keep your focus around?
I had read this somewhere. I don't exactly remember whose quote it is, but it goes like this: if you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice.
Oh.
And that is what keeps me going. And I have a goal and I know I have to work for it. All I need is a plan and to stick to it. And I think it's very important for me, especially because I'm in my 3rd year and I really wanted to finish and be a first attempt CS. So that's what I'm working towards.
So, Neha, what all you did to keep yourself out of all the negativities, while people leaving the course, while people thinking of opting it out, while people thinking of just postponing the attempt, while people thinking of leaving it and doing MBA or some other course? How did you keep your focus, Neha?
So I thought it's better to sacrifice now than later, because if now we are working on our goals, then in future we don't have to work and search around. and so I thought that we should work towards it.
So guys, let me also ask you, what are the other course they are doing along with the professional course. So Aditi, which course are you doing along with your CS course?
I'm doing a BBA, which is a Bachelor's in Business Administration with a finance specialization from NMIMS Mumbai.
And obviously she's in the third year, she already mentioned. And Neha, what are you studying and from which college are you doing that course?
I am in second year and I am doing BCom from Tulani College.
Okay. So guys, both of them are from a different background. One is doing BBA and other is doing BCom. Great to hear that students of their small age are, you know, pursuing professional courses along with academic qualifications as well. So obviously it is very difficult to manage the time between college as well as CS studies. So guys, one last round of applause for both of them for getting this amazing feat, 2 All India ranks from our classes in this attempt. So one round of applause for both of them guys from the entire team of Study Circle. So now guys, here's the time to felicitate them on behalf of Team Study Circle. And let's felicitate Aditi first. So may I request to hand over? Yeah, thank you. So guys, here's one for Aditi. Thank you. And a small token of appreciation, right, about you've achieved AIR 7. So this is Aditi, AIR 7 guys. And we have one more, है ना? So Neha, this one is for you. And thank you for making us proud. And again, one small token of appreciation from Team Study Circle. Okay guys, so that's all, and you can see this lovely pictures, right? These are the memories what every teacher and every class owner always cherishes for the entire life. So that's all from our side guys. I hope you loved this video, like this video, and if you loved and liked this video, please comment in the comment box, and please subscribe to our channel Study Circle Mumbai if you haven't subscribed till now. That's all from our side, all three of us wishing you again a very happy new year 2021. And obviously the new year has brought a very big news for them. So already guys, they are happy, and I hope that it brings happiness in our lives. And that's all from our side. Thank you, bye bye, see you, and take care. That's all.